So we always do the kids class every year. We also have a 4-H club, so we're used to dealing with kids and teaching them, and just the fact that they just absorb so much information and they listen and they just love pounding on leather.
How long have you been doing leather?
I'm pretty sure this is my 2nd year.
Nice. What's your favorite part about leather crafting?
The whole thing.
I made a coin purse.
Oh, awesome. And what was your favorite part about the class?
The teacher.
The teacher? Oh, awesome.
They get to put it together and walk out of the class with a project that they can go show everybody that, hey, I made this myself, with a huge big smile on their face and loving every minute of it.